Quick disclaimer. I am not a financial advisor that provides consultation for what particular type of investment would suit your needs. You would need to seek the professional advice that are fully qualified. This video is made for the sole educational purposes and not specifically given for you to act based on this video. Now, let's look at if you are sitting in your cushy lounge seat and decided to purchase shares or other investments. First of all, from the lending perspective, none of the lenders will be willing to lend the money for this type of activity. So if you do want to do it, you would either need to have a lot of equity to be unlocked out of your house or to look at utilizing the cash you have on hand. What are the benefits of the shares purchase? From the basics, if you do understand what you are doing, you can have quite comfortable lifestyle. And we have heard numerous examples and stories of those that have purchased at the right time the shares in Facebook or the investments in Uber or Zero, and they have all ripped the benefits down the road. But what we have never heard of many others that have lost a lot of money, and there was a great example of the dot-com bubble. Bonds and trust funds are structured in a better way by reducing the risks, and not all funds or bonds are the same. Usually the safest are considered the bonds that are backed by the government, and you can read about them in the investment page on the Dominion Post. For the trust funds now, we are sitting in the complicated scenarios of many shares put together for the benefit of the consumer. There are a number of examples of new companies in New Zealand that have made them as affordable option if you have spared $20 to get on. But in whatever case you would want to invest, make sure that the solid advice have been provided and your personal risk appetite was taken into account. In the next video, we will look at different options of unlocking your money from the bank for the investment in properties and what they actually mean. Thank you all for your time. Please ask questions in the comment section below. Click like, share and subscribe to my channel.